All right, so this is a Filipino, either Lacatan or Barangan. I don't really know yet. The peduncle is incredibly long, huge rack up there, probably going to be ready any week now. But one of the things that we noticed with these was that the flowers, kind of like the native Eholenas, these flowers have Pilali in them. So inside those little cups, that gel, that juice in there is sugar water. And not all bananas carry it quite like this. You can really see the jelly cups in there. And we've read that the old Hawaiians would use Pilali to feed to the infants as a little sweet treat. You see that? You can see the bubbles of the juice. Just make sure there's no ants. You see that? And there are little cups of jelly that are just really sweet. No real other flavor. A little bit of bitterness from the banana. Yeah. And then once that cup falls off, on this particular kind, by every day or two, another one's going to open up in a whole new set of flowers. So really, as you can see, this thing's been going. I mean, it's been going. So all those days, you could have had a little Pilali serving. Really beautiful, huh? Unreal. Yeah, Lacatan or Barangan. I'm not sure yet. If anybody knows, just leave a comment. Aloha.